Now to Project Drive Sober, heart-wrenching testimony during a public hearing on proposed OWI laws. Shannon Sims is in Madison, where lawmakers, victims, and law enforcement people voiced their concerns.
Victims came from near and far to testify in front of the 5-member committee. However, at one point, there were only 3 senators in the chamber. Senator Alberta Darling had a scheduling conflict and had to leave early, and Senator Lena Taylor phoned in from Milwaukee. After lawmakers spoke their position on several proposed OWI laws, victims one by one from all over the state voiced their pain.
The whole entire front of the car caved in on me. I ended up bending the steering wheel in half as the truck made its impact.
Anger.
My son didn't deserve to die, and my son, because people say it's our culture and this is normal, will not be collateral damage.
And tears.
Our home is empty and quiet.
For the first time, we hear from an alcoholic, now sober more than 30 years, who is living without his grandson, killed by an alleged drunk driver.
It's very difficult to talk about Austin.
Those that stepped up to the mic were all in favor of toughening the state's OWI laws, especially 2 bills that would make a first-time OWI offense a misdemeanor and mandatory 5-year sentence for those who killed a person. The senators had concern for each of the 11 bills proposed.
If these became law, do we have the facilities to handle this?
That's always been the question, the cost, how can we handle it? And I think what we're saying today is we have to look at the victims first and balance the scales of justice.
The 5-hour hearing included testimony from law enforcement. Dodge County Sheriff Dale Schmidt shared his frustrations and challenges he and his deputies face.
I want more deterrence from the legislator as well. I'm fed up with going to the serious crashes. I'm fed up with meeting with the families who have lost a loved one.
Senator Van Wongard said that the committee will meet again at the end of the month to determine if any of the bills will make it out of committee and onto the Senate floor. Reporting in Madison, Shannon Sims, today's TMJ4.
Shannon, thank you very much. A woman is behind bars tonight after being arrested for drunk driving in Kenosha County. State Patrol stopped the driver on I-41 northbound because she was going 92 miles an hour. The driver's preliminary breath test was .427. That's nearly 5 times the legal limit. If convicted, this would be the driver's 3rd OWI offense. And this is why we started Project Drive Sober. For stories like this, we want to keep our roads safe. If you have any ideas for a story, call us or contact us using the information you see on your screen.